This episode of Total Drama contains scenes of extreme stunts performed by animated teens. Do not try any of what you see here at home. Seriously, you could get really messed up. Last time on Total Drama, a brutal teens versus mutants fisticuffs free-for-all proved beyond all doubt that these guys will do anything for $1 million. Even newly refriended Courtney and Gwen had to battle it out. The villains ruled victorious, but in a last-minute twist, the villains got to send a loser hero home, and the heroes got to send a winner villain to exile. So, it was see ya tomorrow, Alejandro, and see ya never, Sierra. Only 8 players remain, and none of them are ready for how everything is about to change. Right here, right now, on Total Drama All-Stars!
I just dreamt I was riding a fluffy unicorn across clouds made of marshmallows.
Yeah, they're soft beds, all right.
A couple of days ago, I was ready to quit. Now that we're friends again, I never want it to end.
I hope we make it to the finale together.
What about Scott?
He's cool and all, but like you say, you gotta put friends first.
If I don't win the $1 million, I hope you do. And I mean it, too.
Good morning, Scott.
No, it's not. These walls are way too thick. Speak up!
Well, as long as Sierra is far, far away, I'm good.
Don't be too sure. Just 'cause she's gone, don't mean you're safe.
Being on the villains team is so nerve-wracking. I've started sleeping with one eye open, and now I can't blink it. See?
I had to throw him off. The heroes are taking over the villains team. Gwen's a wannabe, and with Cameron and Courtney, me and Alejandro are outnumbered. If I was back home right now, I'd be barricading myself in the cellar with enough potatoes and toilet paper to last till the next millennium.
Everyone thinks I've gone soft and lost my edge. I'll show them who's gone soft. I'll show them all. How about a classic skull and crossbones?
Aw, what a cute bunny.
Ah, don't call me that!
I was talking about your painting.
Huh? Ah, it's not a bunny. It's emotional graffiti. Ugh. Ah, I'll show them. Whatever. That's it. I'll drive Chef's ride into the ocean. Then we'll see who's not a delinquent. Huh. There must be something with the starter. Let's see.
Attention campers, please gather out front, right where Duncan's being all sweet.
Ah, no, I'm not!
Duncan, you fixed my Jeep. You're a good kid.
Wow, you survived a whole night all alone on Boney Island without so much as a scratch? I'm impressed. How'd you pull it off?
It is all about attitude. My, your breath is powerful. It is almost as compelling as your eyes. The only eyes more beautiful than yours are those of that gopher. Survival was easy. Also, I have a special way with animals.
Enough with the self-promotion, Al! I have a big announcement. Today, the teams are being merged! That's right! From now on, challenges are for individual winners only, and everyone is at risk of getting the not-so-royal flush. I have to take this. It's my stylist. Yeah! How come my socks don't match my shirt?
Stick together no matter what?
Friendship Finale version 2.0, here we come!
Hey, can I get in on that?
Of course! For now...
Duncan thinks Mike's just an alternate personality for an evil guy he met in juvie named Mal. Well, maybe Mal is one of Mike's alternate personalities, but no way is it the other way around. Anyway, Mike's in control again. Just ask the tarot. What's next for Mike? The lonely prisoner, the creepy tower, and the evil leprechaun? I couldn't remember all the cards, so I made a few up.
It's so easy to imitate Mike. Not even Zoe has a clue I'm not him. I should have done this years ago.
Come on! Man, what a drag! Wait, what's with the top of that tower? It kinda looks like... Yes! Why? Because! Chester! Are you selling skateboards?
That was Mal's idea.
Maybe you can help me fight him and get control of my mind again!
Who, Mal? Oh, why, he's the whippiest snapping whippersnapper that ever snipped it!
Chester! Will you help me?
What the heck? I'm with you, Mike.
All right, let's go! To the weird, creepy tower!
Yeah! Oh, boy. This is gonna probably end badly.
Yeah. Guy thinks I'm colorblind. As if. Anywho, this week's challenge is a regatta around the island.
A regatta?
Regatta? It's a boat race.
So why didn't you say that?
Because I'm classy. Hello. First person to successfully circumnavigate the entire island wins immunity and a night at the spa hotel. Don't worry, Chef will keep things interesting by providing some obstacles for you. Some of the boats are seaworthy, some are sinkerific. And they're all first come, first served. Starting now!
Yes! Come on, Gwen, let's go!
Hey, can I be part of your alliance?
Why?
I could use some allies, and I can protect you from people like Mike.
Ha! Like he's a threat.
I'm telling you, he's dangerous. I knew him back in juvie when his name was Mal.
He thinks Mike is a threat? Wow, that's like 1,000,000 on the lame scale. Poor Duncan. So sad.
And Alejandro takes the lead!
Yes!
And Courtney and Gwen team up by choice, despite the whole only one person wins thing. Interesting.
Mike! Oh! He left us the powerboat. It was already rusty.
Guess the raft will have to do. Hey, get your own boat.
This is the only one that floats.
No time to debate. Let's go and start paddling.
And the riff-raff ride the rickety raft. I am hilarious.
I know! Come now, beautiful engine. Start for Alejandro.
And Mike takes the lead. But will he keep it all the way through Coconut Alley?
Coconut Alley?
Ow!
Courtney and Gwen reach Coconut Alley.
Uh-oh. What's that?
Hey!
Courtney! Woo! Thanks, Gwen. I almost got my hair wet.
I would never let that happen. Your hair is fantastic.
No, your hair is. What's your secret?
I double condition.
Boring. Better up the ante, Chef.
It's times like these when I really love this job.
Oh, great.
Hey, Hey, Alejandro! Boat trouble?
Not anymore! Adios, non-amigos!
If we only had a motor!
That's it.
Huh? Hey, what was that for?
Sorry, Scott. Nothing personal. Just attracting our motor.
Oh, no. No, 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 no! Ah!
Fang has a bit of an obsession with Scott.
Man, even Cameron is more edgy than me. And he's like a talking pencil.
So far, everyone's still alive. But really, how likely is that to continue? Find out when we return with more Total Drama All-Stars!
Here, Sharky Sharky.
Not funny!
Almost ready. Zoe, tie the other end to the raft.
You guys! This is crazy!
Trust me, it'll work. I hope.
Hold on, Scott! You're doing great!
Great idea, dude. Very villainous.
Huh? Oh my gosh! Am I turning evil? I wasn't trying to be a villain. I was just helping Scott to be a hero.
Ladies!
This just in, Mike still has the lead. And thanks to the Riff Rafter's new engine, guess who's last?
Last place? Aw, man.
Come on, you piece of junk!
Incoming, hold tight. Don't mind if I do.
Is that where Chris lives?
Yeah, beautiful. Just beautiful.
Duncan! Where are you going?
If anyone thinks I've gone soft or lost my mojo, let's just say I found a way to set the record straight.
Piranhas! Dead ahead! Snappy, toothy piranhas!
And Mike! We might just catch up.
But who are we going to catch up to? If only there was a way to make sure he's really Mike and not some sneaky alternate persona.
There is one way. If you were to get into some sort of danger.
That's right. That gives me a crazy idea. Wish me luck.
Zoe, no!
Mike! Help! Mike!
Zoe? Zoe! What the?
Hey, why am I on a boat?
Alejandro takes the lead.
Too easy.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, Zoe!
Oh, no, you don't!
Zoe, No!
I don't know what's happening!
Zoe's in trouble and there's nothing I can do! Ugh! When I get out of here, Mal is going to pay!
Help!
Oh, hold on! The engine won't start!
Seriously!
Mike! Zoe's in danger!
Only because otherwise it'll look suspicious.
Please don't eat me! Ah!
Sorry that took so long. I'm just glad you're okay.
I knew it! I knew he wouldn't let me become fish food! So romantic.
How gullible is this girl?
No! Why won't you work? Oh, thank goodness! Let's go!
All the boats are in the final stretch. Who's going to win tonight's immunity? Oh! Alejandro's chances of winning have stalled. Just like his motor. No!
Nearly there! Ah! Too close! Zoe! Too close! Help! Zoe! Oh no! We have to help Cameron!
What?
Never, ever make enemies with a critter who has more teeth than your whole family combined. Never! Oh! Your turn to be fish food!
Whoa!
Seriously? Guess he wanted a meal, not a snack. Get back up here and start paddling.
I know what I did was wrong, but Fang would have probably only chewed on Scott for a minute before spitting him out. Just to make a point, I mean, right?
What's Alejandro doing? His engine must have died.
Guess he'll have to Alejandro row his boat.
Hurry! They're gaining on us!
Not on my yacht! Hooray! Yeah, faster! Go! Yeah! Go, go!
Ooh, Alejandro wins it by a nose! Courtney and Gwen take second place. Not that it matters, Mike and Zoe take third. And Cameron and Scott may have come in last, but they were definitely the funniest. A meal, not a snack. Oh, my sides. Oh.
It wasn't that funny, Chris.
Wait a minute. Where's Duncan?
What the heck was that?
My cottage!
You called that a cottage? It was a mansion!
Yeah! Woohoo! Now who's gone soft?
So many pictures of me. Gone. Oh, all gone.
We'll build you another cottage.
It was not a cottage!
As winner of today's challenge, Alejandro gets immunity and a night at the spa hotel. And he can bring one person along with him.
As much as I would love to bring you all, I cannot play favorites and break all of your hearts.
As for the rest of you, time to hit the voting booth.
Hey, Alejandro. So, I was kind of wondering, since there aren't any teams anymore, maybe we could form an alliance or something. I mean, if you want. Maybe.
Intriguing and unexpected. Just the way I like to play. Deal.
With a friend like me, who needs enemies?
Good news. As a reward for making it to the merge, there will be no Boney Island for any of you tonight.
Yeah!
Do you know how many statues of me were lost in that explosion? 5!
Can we just get on with this ceremony already?
Told ya I was a villain. Before you vote for the first time as individuals, I have a special surprise for Boom Boom over here.
Aw, Chris, you shouldn't have.
You're under arrest for the destruction of a private cottage.
It was not a...
Way to go, bad boy. I hope looking cool is worth getting locked up again.
It is. I'm gonna rule Juvie.
Juvie? You destroyed a major piece of property. It's a big boy jail for you, bro. And it's gonna be a real slammer.
Wait! It was an accident! Come on, guys, have a heart! I didn't know you weren't supposed to put a toaster in the microwave! Snuggle muffins!
Justice. Okay, it's voting time.
I'm voting for Cameron. He used me for shark bait. I hate it when people do that.
With Sierra gone, I don't know who to vote for. But since Scott's so mad at me, he wins. I mean, loses.
Well, I believe this is a first. The votes have been tallied, and it's unanimous. Tonight's Flush O' Shame recipient is... Cameron.
What? How can it be unanimous? I didn't vote for myself.
I didn't vote for him either.
Relax. Since Duncan the Destroyer is gone, Cameron gets yet another stay of flush-ecution. You're still in the game for now.
Sweet!
Obviously, the votes were tampered with. I feel like a fly at a frog banquet. They're all out to get me.
8 players down, 7 to go. Who's next to take a paddle in the big porcelain pond? My money's on this guy.
Hey!
Find out for sure when we return with another all-new episode of Total Drama All-Stars!